Hello! Welcome to our channel. Here are the results of the games and the current standings for January 21, 2025, and the NBA game schedule for January 22, 2025.
If you're new to this channel, consider to subscribe and leave a like to help this channel grow.
Here are the games played today in the NBA. Ball and Bridges led Charlotte Hornets over Dallas Mavericks 110-105 for third straight win. LaMelo Ball chipped in 23 points, 7 rebounds, 9 assists, and Miles Bridges added 23 points, 5 rebounds, 2 assists. While for the Dallas Mavericks, Daniel Gafford had 31 points, 15 big rebounds, double-double, 7 blocks, and Kyrie Irving added 33 points, 4 rebounds, 3 assists, 3 steals. Cunningham led Detroit Pistons over Houston Rockets 107-96. Cade Cunningham had 32 points, 9 rebounds, 7 assists, while Jalen Doran had 16 points, 14 rebounds, 3 assists, 4 steals. Fred VanVleet led the Houston Rockets with 20 points, 5 rebounds, 6 steals, and Jalen Green had 19 points, 4 rebounds, 4 assists. Jackson and Bain led fourth quarter rally as Memphis Grizzlies beat Minnesota Timberwolves 108-106. Jaren Jackson Jr. had 24 points, including 15 in the fourth quarter, with 11 rebounds, 2 blocks, and Desmond Bain added 22 points, 6 rebounds, 5 assists, 2 steals. While for the Minnesota Timberwolves, Anthony Edwards had 32 points, 4 rebounds, 3 assists, and Nice Weed added 29 points, 8 rebounds off the bench. Jalen Brunson led New York Knicks over Atlanta Hawks 119-110. Jalen Brunson had 34.6 assists, and Mikal Bridges added 26 points for assists. For the Atlanta Hawks, Trae Young had 27 points, 3 rebounds, 6 assists, and DeAndre Hunter had 22 points. Mitchell propels NBA leading Cleveland Cavaliers to easy 180-92 win over Phoenix Suns. Donovan Mitchell scored 33 points, 23 in the second half, dished 5 assists, and grabbed 5 rebounds, while Darius Garland added 16 points, 2 rebounds, 7 assists, 3 steals. Kevin Durant led Phoenix Suns with 23 points, 7 rebounds, 2 blocks, and Devin Booker had 15 points, 3 rebounds, 4 assists. The Celtics hand the Warriors their most lopsided home loss in 40 years with a 125-85 win. Jason Tatum chipped in 22 points, 9 rebounds, 7 assists, 2 steals, and Kristaps Porzingis had 18 points, 7 rebounds, 2 assists. While for the Golden State Warriors, Stephen Curry had 18 points, 3 rebounds, 4 assists, 2 steals, and Moses Moody added 13 points, 6 rebounds, 5 assists off the bench. McCollum led New Orleans Pelicans to franchise best 25-point comeback in a 123-119 overtime win over the Utah Jazz. CJ McCollum scored 6 of his 45 points in overtime with 8 rebounds, 4 assists, 3 blocks, and DeJounte Murray added 26 points, 11 rebounds, 2 assists. While for the Utah Jazz, Keontae George had 23 points, 4 rebounds, 7 assists, and Isaiah Collier had 23 points, 3 rebounds, 11 assists. Lavin lead Chicago Bulls over Los Angeles Clippers 112-99 as Chicago snaps 5-game skid with rare win in back-to-back. Zach Lavin put in 35 points, 3 rebounds, and Josh Giddey added 18 points, 10 rebounds, 9 assists. Norman Powell led the Los Angeles Clippers with 27 points, 2 rebounds, 2 assists, and James Harden had 17 points, 5 rebounds, 10 assists. And now, let's proceed to the NBA current team standings for January 21, 2025. Let's start with the Eastern Conference team standings. 15. Washington Wizards 6-35 record with 10-game losing streak. 14. Toronto Raptors 10-32 record. 13. Charlotte Hornets 11-28 record with 3-game winning streak. 12. Brooklyn Nets 14-29 record with 3-game losing skid. 11. Philadelphia 76ers 15-26 record with 6-game losing skid. Chicago Bulls is at number 10, 19-25 record. Number 9, Detroit Pistons 22-21 record. Number 8, Miami Heat 21-20 record. Number 7, Orlando Magic 23-21 record with 3-game losing skid. Number 6 is the Atlanta Hawks 22-20 record. Number 5, Indiana Pacers 24-19 record with 2-game winning streak. Number 4 is the Milwaukee Bucks 24-17 record with 4-game winning streak. Number 3, New York Knicks 28-16 record. Number 2, Boston Celtics 30-13 record. And the number 1 team in the Eastern Conference is the Cleveland Cavaliers 36-6 record with 2-game winning streak. Let us proceed to the Western Conference team standings. 15, Utah Jazz 10-31 record with 3-game losing skid. 14, New Orleans Pelicans 12-34 record with 4-game winning streak. 13, Portland Trail Blazers 14-28 record. 12, San Antonio Spurs 19-22 record with 3-game losing skid. Golden State Warriors is at number 11, 21-21 record. Number 10 is Phoenix Suns 21-21 record. Minnesota Timberwolves slide at number 9, 22-21 record with 2-game losing skid. Number 8 is the Sacramento Kings, 22-20 record with 2-game winning streak. 7. Dallas Mavericks, 23-20 record. 6. Los Angeles Lakers, 22-18 record. Number 5 is the Los Angeles Clippers, 24-18 record. Number 4, Denver Nuggets, 26-16 record with 2-game winning streak. Number 3 is the Memphis Grizzlies, 28-15 record with 3-game winning streak. Number 2, Houston Rockets, 28-14 record. And the number 1 team in the Western Conference is the Oklahoma City Thunder, 35-7 record. Here are the NBA regular season schedule for January 22, 2025. Cam Johnson and the Brooklyn Nets will try to end their 3-game skid against the visiting team, New York Knicks, led by Karl Anthony Towns, in Barclays Center at 8:30 a.m. Philippine Time or 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time. DeAndre Ayton and the Portland Trail Blazers will visit Tyler Hero in the Miami Heat in Kaseya Center at 8:30 a.m. Philippine Time or 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Paolo Banchero and the Orlando Magic will face Scottie Barnes and the Toronto Raptors in Scotiabank Arena at 8:30 a.m. Philippine Time or 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Tyrese Maxey and the Philadelphia 76ers will play the top team of Denver Nuggets led by Nikola Jokic in Ball Arena at 11 a.m. Philippine Time or 10 p.m. Eastern Time. Anthony Davis and the Los Angeles Lakers will play the struggling team of Washington Wizards led by Jordan Poole in Crypto.com Arena at 11:30 a.m. Philippine Time or 10:30 p.m. Eastern Time. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like to help this channel grow. Thank you so much, everyone.